Behavioral principles behind increasing expected behaviors and decreasing problem behaviors. Positive behavior support. Principles related to behavior intervention plans. 1. Behaviors serve a purpose. All behaviors serve a purpose, even problem behaviors. Students that engage in problem behavior have learned that their actions have worked in the past or are currently working to either 1, get something that they desire, or 2, to avoid or protest something that the student wishes to remove from their environment. Number 2, behavior is related to the context or the environment in which it occurs. Something is either present in the environment or not present in the environment, which increases the likelihood the problem behavior will occur. Number 3, 2 strands to complete a behavior plan. Changing behavior requires addressing both the environmental features, so removing the need for the use of the problem behavior to get their needs met, and developing a FERB, a functionally equivalent replacement behavior that the student can use to get that same need met, but in an acceptable way. Number 4, new behavior must get a payoff as big or bigger than the problem behavior. So to achieve maintenance of a new behavior, it must be reinforced. Reinforcement is actions we take, privileges or tangibles we give that the student really wants to get. And therefore, he or she does the behavior again and again to get that reinforcement. Number 5, implementers need to know how to handle the problem behavior if it occurs again. So the behavior plan must specify reactive strategies ranging from 1, the beginning stage, so prompting the alternative replacement behavior, 2, a mid-behavior stage. The problem behavior is fully present and now requires staff to handle the behavior safely through an individualized, careful de-escalating of the behavior. This might include specific techniques such as calming words, the presenting of choices, distraction, and redirection. Each technique will likely be unique to the student, so what has worked in the past is important to discuss. Some staff de-escalate the student better than others, and this should be considered. Sometimes students have a preferred staff that they wish, so you have to be careful that you are bringing in this preferred staff at the right time, so you're not reinforcing the problem behavior and they're actually coming in to help. The problem-solving debriefing stage. So debriefing with the student is to review what happened, practice the alternative behavior again, and plan what to do next. 4th step is required consequence stage. So clearly written consequences or other determined actions because of the behavior are important. So an example could be the school or the district disciplinary required actions, or calling parents, notifying a probation department, attendance at special seminars, detention, and other things like that. And then number 6, ongoing communication needs need to be between all important stakeholders in the student's life. So the behavior plan must also specify who communicates with whom, how frequently, and in what manner. So two-way communication between message senders and recipients is important. It's important that everyone be on the same page for the student's success in reaching the desired behaviors.